April 28th, just packed my stuff, gonna do checkout, gonna go get some food, and gonna go head to Delhi, and tomorrow is my flight to Kathmandu. So yesterday was a storm, but today looks okay, like sun is shining, weather is nice, no wind. And by the way, there is like 144 buses to Delhi, like every half an hour or something, from Nepali farm. Just the problem, I need to check for a bus to Nepali farm because it's quite far. It's like 16 kilometers from my place, so I can get a tuk-tuk, but it probably costs like 500. But I heard like there's a bus to Haridwar and it costs like nothing, you know. Also my back feels kind of funny after that yoga. The trainer really stretched me out on the ropes, you know. There's these ropes, they're hanging on the wall, and I did some stretching, but yeah. Yo, so I'm heading to look for tuk-tuk or taxi or bus to Nepali farm, or to the bus stand and then just go to Nepali farm. So there's, like I said, a lot of buses. They're going every 30 minutes, like 144, so probably every 30 minutes, like 5 buses or even more. So just took a bus to Rishikesh bus stand. It cost me like 20 rupees. It goes also to Haridwar, but they said they're not stopping in Nepali farm and it's far to walk and stuff. And this dude told me like there's a lot of buses to Delhi here, so I'm just gonna look for a bus to Delhi. There's local buses like 400. Now is like Sunday, so the price went up for the better buses, but I don't know. I'm just gonna look for Delhi. Probably gonna skip the public, or maybe not. No, 7 hours with public, and the better bus is like 5 hours. Yo, so the bus to Delhi at 6 hours costs 700. Public buses for 7 hours will cost 420. Has AC. Yeah, I just went to the bus stand, like I paid 20 rupees, and this dude just came from nowhere. He's like, I'll take you to the bus. So probably they're like working together or something. He just took me by scooty like 5 minutes. I thought he's gonna like scam me or something, but I don't know. Maybe they get a cut, or probably, I don't know. Hey, so I'm at the metro, off the bus. It took us 8 hours. So now we're going to the metro. Is gonna be like faster. It's only 20 minutes to reach the airport or something. So it should be cool. My taxi is like 40 or 50 minutes. Yo, so this is crowded like hell, so I don't know, I'm getting second thoughts about it. Yeah, I need to get that orange line. Yeah, so that cost me 50 rupees to Aero City, and after that I just need to walk for 20 minutes. Hey, so I'm at Aero City. It wasn't that far. It took me like 15 minutes. Yeah, now I need a walk or get a cab or something. I don't know. It took me some time though. Like, yeah, I thought it was gonna be like a little bit faster. Hey, so somewhere close, like 15 minutes. It's not busy at all. I'm kind of amazed. I think I stayed here like before COVID, like in this similar neighborhood somewhere, and I needed to leave like from Delhi back to my country when COVID hit. It reminds me of this place. Hey, so I'm almost at my hotel. I took a short stop. I'm very, well, not very, but a little hungry. Yeah, it's almost 12. Yeah, so my flight is 6:35 tomorrow, so I have like a long day tomorrow, so no problem about that. Probably could save some time if I took a taxi instead, but it was actually quite fun, you know, to move after sitting on the bus, so I joined it. Yo, I think I saw some hookers here. Like there was some dude also asking if I want a massage and stuff. So just saying. Oh. Yeah, so this is 14,000. I don't know. Doesn't look bad, but spending here like every day, you know, would be kind of sad. But yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna end this day. Gonna head to shower. So see you tomorrow, like from, I don't know, the airport or from the street. I'll just keep on doing, you know.